Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a yoga teacher in London, and I'm just going to do a short 10-minute flow with you today. So if I get you to start either sitting on your knees or crossing over your legs so you feel just nice and comfortable, bring your hands onto your knees, your thighs or in your lap, and just start by closing your eyes and just start by tuning into your own breath and your own body. So letting the shoulders just release down. Letting your hips be heavy and grounded down towards the floor. And just start to soften your face. Take deep, nourishing breaths in through your nose, filling your body up to the top. And then exhale out through your nose, just emptying and releasing all the air out of your body. So in yoga, we're just breathing in and out through the nose, so you can just keep the heat in the body. Take one more full breath. And then when you finish your last exhale, just slowly blink open your eyes. Start by coming forward onto all fours, so bring in your hands underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips. So you can just spread your fingertips nice and wide. And then just start by opening out the knees, come back into a child's pose. So you're letting your fingertips reach forward, tailbone is heavy towards your heels. Take a deep breath in. I want you to make a circle with your hips, reaching your left hip first towards your left hand, and then towards your right hand, and then back towards your right heel and left heel. So breathing in, reach the crown of the head forward, weight going over your hands. Exhale, push your hands forward as you reach your bottom back to your heels. Good, 2 more, big breath in, and then exhale back down. Last one, breathing in, and exhale down. And then just switch over direction, so breathing in nice and open through the chest. Exhale, reach back. 4 more, shining your chest forward, and then re-lengthening your spine to come back. Good, 2 more. And exhale back. Last one. And exhale. And then just start to breathe and ripple through the spine. Come back up onto all fours again. Spread your fingertips wide, and then start to come onto the balls of your toes. Ground and root your hands into the floor, and just slowly hover your knees off the ground, engaging the lower belly. And then start to reach the tailbone high to the sky. Come into your first downward dog. So fingertips are still spread. Soften the knees slightly to tilt the tailbone up towards the sky, and scoop the inside of the elbows up towards the ceiling. Take 2 more breaths here. Good, 1 more full breath. And then just slowly walk your feet forward towards the front of the mat. So you bring your feet underneath your hips. Just hang over your legs, release your head, and take hold of your forearms. Just such a swing side to side. The crown of the head is still really heavy, tailbone is up towards the ceiling. Release your hands, press down through your feet, and just slowly roll all the way up the spine so your head is coming up last. Just let the shoulders release back and down. Take a full breath in, open out your arms, lift up as tall as you can, bring your palms to touch, and then exhale, bring your hands back down into prayer. 2 more, breathing in, opening out the arms, lifting up. Exhale, hands come back down. Last time, opening out the arms. And exhale, hands down. Take a deep breath in, just reach your hands up now. Take hold of your left wrist, and I want you to lift up as tall as you can. Lift up and then exhale, reach over towards the right. Let the left shoulder release down, and just soften both knees so you're connected to the floor. Start to reach your left hip out towards the left, reach the left side of the ribs out towards the left, trying to stay as long as you can through the right side of the body. Arc your body up and over. Good, inhale, lift up, switch over, take hold of your right wrist. Breathing, lift up, exhale, go all the way towards the left. Once again, soften the knees, feel really heavy, especially through that left foot. Reach your body up and over, keep reaching the right side of the ribs, out towards the right. One more breath in and going over. And then breathe in, lift up. Exhale, hands back down into prayer. Good, breathe in, open out your arms now, lift up. This time I want you to exhale, hinging at the hips, lean all the way forward. Bring your hands down in front of your feet. Inhale, bring your hands up the shins, press the hands into the shins so you reach the crown of the head forward. Exhale, come back down, just step your left foot back behind you into a long lunge. Right knee's in line with the right ankle, left heel is reaching back. Take a deep breath in, open out your right arm, look up towards your right thumb. Exhale, bring your right hand back down. Step the right foot back behind you into your plank. So you're drawing the ribs in together, nice and firm through the center. And then exhale, downward facing dog, looking in between your feet again. If you're feeling a little bit tight in your hamstrings, have a little bending both knees so you can get more length into the spine. Take 2 more full breaths. Good, 1 more. Then inhale, rise onto the balls of your toes. Soften the knees, look in between the hands. Step 1 foot forward at a time. Breathe in, lengthen the spine again. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, open out the arms, lift all the way up. Exhale, hands back down into prayer. Good, and again, breathing in, opening out the chest and the heart lifting up. Exhale, hinge forward and fold down. Inhale, long through both sides of the waist, opening out the chest. Exhale, fold back down, step your right foot back behind you this time. Breathe in, reach your left hand off the floor, look up towards your left one. Exhale, left hand comes back down. Step the left foot back behind you into your plank again. And think about drawing the heels of the hands towards the center, the toes towards the center of the body, and think about doming your shoulders up to the ceiling. Exhale, downward facing dog, looking in between your feet again. Good, 1 more full breath. Good, this time I want you to inhale, reach your right foot off the ground. So you're coming into a 3-legged dog. Think about bringing more weight into your left heel and think about squaring off the hips. Exhale, draw the right knee in towards your chest, so you're bringing your weight forward. Inhale, reach that right leg back up towards the sky into a 3-legged dog. Exhale, draw the right knee in again, scoop in the belly. Inhale, reach up. Last one, exhale, draw the right knee in. This time, place your right foot in between your hands. Now I want you to check your right heel is going to be in line with the left instep as you bring your left heel down. Breathe in, sweep up your left arm, then your right arm, coming into your warrior 2. So you want your right knee in line with the right ankle, right heel in line with the left instep. You're reaching your fingertips really long, shoulders stack over the hips. Take a deep full breath in, just reach and lengthen your right leg, lift up. Exhale, push the air down as you open out the arms. Inhale, lift up as you lengthen the right leg. Exhale, push down the air. Last time, breathing in. And exhale down. Flip the right palm up to face the ceiling. Breathing in, reach forward. And then reach your left hand down your left thigh, coming into your reverse warrior. So the inside of the right elbow is looking towards you. Right palm is looking towards you. Good, inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, bring your right forearm onto your right thigh. Sweep your left arm across the body and the face. Keep pushing down through your right forearm and just twist the upper back around to look up towards the sky. Keep heavy through your left heel. Now either staying here or start to slide the back of your right arm to the inside of your right leg. Press the back of the arm into the inside of the calf so you're opening out that right hip, and then twist your chest around to look up. You're opening out the left side of the body. Deep, nourishing breath in. And exhale, inhale, lift all the way back up. Lengthen your right leg. Good, flip the right palm up. Breathing in, reverse warrior again. Exhale, cartwheel your right hand down, then your left hand. Step the right foot back behind you into your plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good, 2 more full breaths. Last one. And then switch over sides. Inhale, reach your left foot off the ground, back into your 3-legged dog. Weight back into that right heel. Exhale, draw the left knee in towards your chest, scoop the belly in. Inhale, push away from your mat, reach the left heel high. Exhale, draw the left knee in again. Inhale, reach up. Last time, exhale, draw the left knee in. Place your left foot in between the hands. Turn out the right foot, left heel in line with the right instep. Inhale, sweeping up the right arm, then the left arm. Reach the fingertips away. Deep breath in, reach up, lengthen your left leg. Exhale, push the air down. And again, breathing in, lifting up. Exhale, push the air down. Last time, drawing the inner thighs together. Exhale, push the air down. Flip the left palm up to face the ceiling, breathing in, reach forward. Reach your right hand down the right thigh into your reverse warrior again. Good, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, left forearm onto your left thigh. Like the opposite side, sweep the right arm across the body in the face. So you're reaching your right middle finger away from that right heel. Push down through the left forearm, twist your chest around to look up. Either holding it here or start to slide the back of your left arm to the inside of the left calf. Press the left arm into the calf. Twist your upper back around to look up towards the ceiling again. Good, inhale, lift all the way back up. Lengthen that left leg. Flip the left palm up. Breathing in, reverse back. Exhale, cartwheel your left hand down. Then your right hand, step the left foot back into your plank. Then slowly let your knees come down. Open out the knees slightly. Stretch back into your child's pose. Catch your breath here again, just in your child's pose. And then slowly walk your hands in towards your legs. So just to finish off your flow, you can either finish seated, either on your knees or crossing over your legs, how we started, or if you prefer, just lay down flat on your back, bring the palms up to face the ceiling, or the hands on the lower belly. If you're seated, hands on your knees or your thighs. Just start to close your eyes. Let the shoulders release. Let the back of the body melt into the floor. Or let your hips be heavy and melt down. Tune back into your own breath, your own body again. And just see if you can make your exhale last a little bit longer than your inhale. So try breathing in for 4. And exhaling out for 6. Each time you exhale, just see if you can relax a bit deeper. Soften your jaw a bit more, your tongue a bit more, your cheeks, your forehead, your eyebrows. Bring your awareness back into your body and breath again. We're just going to finish with 3 more breaths. So bring one hand onto your lower belly, one hand on top of your heart. So I want you to be able to feel the belly rise and fall and feel your heart beating and the weight of your hands, maybe the heat of your hands on your body. Take a deep full breath in from your lower belly, all the way up towards your heart. And then I want you to exhale from your heart all the way back down towards your lower belly. And again, full breath in all the way up towards your heart. Feel the heart up towards the top. And then exhale from heart back down to belly. Last time, breathing in, full breath in. Feel the heart to the top till it's overflowing, reaching up. And then exhale, release the air back down. And then you can just hold it here for a few more breaths, breathing normally in and out through your nose. Just feeling your healing hands resting on your body. And then slowly, when you're ready, just start to blink open your eyes. If you're laid down, just come all the way up to finish seated. And if you're seated, just bring your hands onto your knees, your thighs again. Bring your hands into prayer and heart front of your heart center. Hands up towards your third eye for kind thoughts, towards your mouth for kind words, and then your heart for kind heart. Bow down, namaste.